Pisot, Pinas. Ano ko? Steal by Lapa. Ito na, gumagawa ng presentation natin. Steal by... Oh.
Good.
Wala ko na dyan. Protestante, dribbling na ball. Doon nasa kayo pala. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, good yan. Sinira ni Lapa. Good yan. Good by Protestante.
Good.
Sinasakay. Paano ako gagawa ng play? Dribbling the ball. Paano ako? Shot. Foul. Foul rin. Protestante.
Personal foul.
Personal foul.
First team foul.
Paano ko natin ang shooting ko?
First attempt.
Paano ko first attempt? No good.
Wala ba yung pantibok ng puso dyan? Yan. Second attempt.
Good. Mayroon ako.
Sige na, tuloy mo lang.
Pastor Tarla. Screen by Protestante. Rotara dribbling the ball.
Pagpisot. Steal by...
Steal by Ronaldo dyan.
Rano ako. Wow.
7, 6, 5, 4.
Good.
Rebound by Protestante. Pass to Lapa. Lapa shoot. No good. Rebound by Protestante. Shot good by Protestante.
Pag di kita tinatapik, huwag ka umano.
Ay, sorry na. Sorry na po. Ano ako? Dribbling the ball.
There's a foul. Lampa. First. Uy, lampa. Uy, lutak.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Yun, yan. Pwede na yan. Side ball.
Side ball lang. Pass to Ranoko, dribbling the ball. Steal ba? Steal by Protestante at Protestante Ararake. Rotala. Lampa, dribbling the ball. Pass to Protestante, dribbling the ball. Last 6, 5. Rebound by Rotala. Shot by Protestante. Goal by Protestante.
Noon.
Pass to Ranoko, dribbling the ball, gagawa ng play, steal by Lapa, pero nakuha na si Marco, pass to last 8, 6, pass to Ranoko, ay, rebound by Matiga, goal by Matiga, galing mo doon.
Ganun mo na lang, shotcaster.
Protestante, dribbling the ball, gagawa ng play, tinidribble play niya sa dito, good, steal by Allen. Marco pass to Ranoko, no good, rebound by Allen again. Rebound by Marco. Dribbling the ball, shot. Good by Marco.
Ha? Oh, wala. Good lang yun. 4 second pa lang yun eh.
Pass to Protestante. Pass to Rotala shot. No good, rebound by Lampa. Pass to Rotala. Shot by Matiga. Isorte ang kanyang play dito. Player. Pass to Matiga. Last 6 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Steal by Ronaldo. Pass to Protestante shot. No good. Rebound by Protestante. Traveling violation. Turnover.
Puta ka na. Huwag kayo mahiyadan, tuloy mo lang.
Pass to 3. Di-dribble dito, gagawa ng play. Wait lang daw. Last 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 6. Good by Matiga. Tugod lang yan ha.
Pupoys lang yun.
Rotala. Dribbling the ball. Atake.
Bilis mo magbilang siyong.
Steal. No good. Steal shot by Lapan. No good. Rebound by Matiga. Nilabas ang bola. Labas niyo muna. Ranoko shot. Good by Ranoko. Pass to Rotala. Pass to Lapan. Shot.
Ayun na kasi magbilang. Hindi yung gano'n.
Pabilisan.
Tayo dyan.
Pass to Prince.
Lampang pumasok.
Pass to Prince.
Lampang
Dribbling the ball. Gumagawa na play dito. Dito double team ka. Last 7. 6. Rebound ka naman ako.
Foul.
Who's fouling?
Atiga.
Atiga. First personal foul.
First
team foul.
Nice. Okay, good.
Pass to Protestante. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound pa yung Atiga. Nakakayan ka na. Atiga nalabas yung bola. Last 6. 5. Dito na abot. Sayang yun. Bisa nyo pa. Pasensya nyo yung natin ka. Pagwan lang.
Wagay dito. Let's go dito.
Pastor Taza. Cutting by Pisot. Nice play. Who's foul red? Foul down.
Pisot.
Shot.
First.
First personal foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul.
Sabi ko side ball.
Side ball lang red.
Yan.
Pastor Taza. Dribbling the ball atake. Hindi. Cutting by Allen. Shot. No good. Rebound by Prince. Prince dribbling the ball. Prince by Pisot. Shot. No good. Rebound by Gilbert. Gagawa ng play. No. Protestante. Pastor Taza. Pastor Lampa. Foul.
And count.
Basket.
Who's foul rep?
Who's foul red?
Ranoko.
First personal foul, third team foul, Lampa.
At the line.
At the line,
First attempt.
first attempt,
No good. Yan. Ayaw mo siya, te.
Good dyan.
goal. Good job.
Bonus shot lang yun. Bonus shot.
Pass. Oh, talaga eh. Rana, dribbling the ball. Make it play. Foul. Foul red.
Number 9. Sino yung number 9?
Rotana. First personal foul,
Third.
team foul, Ranako.
At the line, shooting two. First attempt, no
First
good.
attempt, no good.
Second attempt,
Second attempt,
no good. Rebound by
Pisot! Pastor Ranoko. Steal by Rotana. Shot by Rotana. Nagbububan by Protestante. Ito na. Pastor Lampa. Good by Lampa.
7 minutes. 34.
Last 7 minutes and 34 seconds.
Yan. Iyan mo lang. Si Artie lang sasabi.
Shooting the ball. Shot.
Foul.
Good foul rep.
Number 9,
Protestante.
Resistante.
Oy, Protestante. Matiga shooting at the line, shooting two. Protestante, second personal foul.
Warning.
Warning for penalty.
Yan. Season 4 dan, ikaw na dito.
Shoot lang isa.
Matiga goal.
Si ano? Si Prince kanina.
Hindi.
Pastor Rotana, dribbling the ball. Steal by Matiga.
There's a foul.
Rotana. Second personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty na.
Yan. Natututo ka na.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Matiga at the line, shooting two. Last 7 minutes and 28 seconds.
First attempt, good.
Ayun na kasi may coach.
Second up. Ready to jump.
And good shot
Matiga.
by Matiga.
Pasto Protestante. Guarding by Matiga. Napashot. No good. Rebound by Matiga.
Sino na coach?
Matiga. Pinapantayan nila.
Salam. Dalawa. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Bola ng team black.
Pasto Protestante. Aatake. Shot. No good. Rebound by Ranoko. Dribbling the ball. Guarding by Protestante. Aatake. No good. Rebound by Allen.
Steal.
By Protestante. Pasto Lampa. Shot. No good. Rebound by Rotana. Good yan. Steal by Matiga. Shot. No good. Episode. Ang national player ng Abis. Pastor ano, kung gumagawa ng play.
Iyan mo lang, diretso lang. 8 seconds.
8 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, rebound by Lampa. Lampa nagawa ng play. No good. Rebound by Matiga. Matiga dribbling the ball. Nalabas ang bola. Pastor ano ako. Twin. No good. Rebound by Lampa. Nakakailan ka na. Labas mo
Not
muna.
counted.
Hindi niya po hawak. Ilabas mo muna sa 3. Pastor Protestante tumira ng 3. Good by Protestante.
O, Tres. Tayo dyan, malot lang yung ano.
Napapasahan. Matiga dribble to ball guarding by
Kalabatin mo siya, boy.
Pastor shot clock by Protestante. And
Stop na to na.
side ball lang.
Wala pa.
Ayun ang bola left.
5 seconds. 5 seconds. Pag nag-dead ball.
Wala pa. Oras na, uy.
Pastor Tanga. Shot, no good. Rebound by Pisot. Pastor. Oh, iwan na yung Pisot. Nagsipag mo.
8 seconds, 8 seconds.
Last 8 seconds to shoot.
Stop.
Good na.
Palit mo ka, palit mo ka.
Bilis na.
Kalabatin mo na lang siya, boy.
Oo nga, kinakalabit ko nga
8
lang.
seconds lagi shot clock down.
Game na.
Pindot, Basir.
Yeah. Number 2. Reading the ball. Ano play? No. Last 8 seconds to shoot.
7, 6, 5.
4. Good by Jumari. Ipak mo. Tapon ka ba? Tuloy. Reyes, reading the ball. Steal. Tempo lang. Jumari din daw sila. Sabi siya ito.
Oy.
Ang tama ko dyan. Foul. Yung foul break.
Walang sinabi yung referee. Goite.
First personal foul. One for penalty.
Pag hindi pumito, hayaan nyo lang. Dire-diretso yan.
Wala tama.
First attempt,
First step, no good.
second attempt.
Valera, second attempt.
Miss, rebound.
Shot. No good.
Wala.
Cycle lang.
Oh, side ball.
Tama.
Ay, side ball lang ba?
Tapos naman eh.
Sorry, hindi ko na. Pasok Valera, dribble the ball. Pasok. Ayun yung bola rin. Black. Black ball.
Bakit ito hindi sumali?
Valera nagawa ng play, dribbling the ball. Valera atake. Pass to. Steal by Rizales. Wait, steal ba?
Oh, still.
Good, sorry ah. Hindi na pa ako, hindi ka mapakita ang pinindin nyo.
Number na lang, kahit number.
Hindi ka makita ang number nila. Antay pa, sige. Valera, pass to Vallejo. Dribbling the ball, pass to Valera. Shot, jump shot, no good. Rebound by.
Ito si Ambora yun.
Ako. Okay.
Pangalan ang penido ko yan.
Wala, dribbling the ball. Pass to Valera. Shot, foul.
Sander, Cesalesa.
15, Desalesa.
Ay, Goite daw. Goite.
Goite.
Penalty.
Second personal foul, penalty.
Huwag mo na i-base pag ganun. Alam na penalty. First attempt.
Go!
Low.
First attempt.
First attempt, no good.
Second attempt, no good.
No good, given by the Salesa. Pass to Jumari. Jumari releasing the ball. Side step, shot, no good. Given by Goite. Tumira, good by Goite. Last 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Colera, dribbling the ball. Colera, atake. Steal by Goite. Ikot yan. Goite, dribbling the ball. Shot. Oh, saan yun? Pakiusap ng ring.
Ang gaganon.
Last. Colera. Pass to Borja. Borja dribbling the ball. Pass to Colera. Shot. No good. Rebound by Borja.
8 seconds.
Bounce. Last 8 seconds to shoot. Foul. Who's foul red? Jumaari. First personal foul. Penalty.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. Kasi sabi mo penalty, okay na yan.
Borja at the line. Shooting two. First attempt.
Hop!
Technical tayo doon. Kung kayo dadaan sa gitna, umikot po kayo.
Labas muna, labas.
Labas muna.
Labas muna kayo.
Yung technical.
Lock. Ay, ayun na yun.
Yung white, yung white.
Agdepa.
Borja at the line for technical play. No good. May bago tayo.
Isa pa, meron pa free throw.
Isa pa yan. Meron pa yan. No good. Rebound by Goite. Big. Traveling violation. Turnover.
Palit ka tayo dun. Tatry ko mamaya.
Valera. Dribbling the ball. Kumata kayo. Oh!
Good yan.
Good yan. Goite dribbling the ball. Pass to Salesa. Shot. Good. Ganda nun.
Last 4 minutes and 4 seconds.
Last 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Valera, dribbling the ball.
Timeout pa kayo.
Guarded by Salesa. Foul! Use foul red.
Salesa.
May timeout pa kayo.
Salesa.
Goite.
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 Third.
Goite. Third personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Timeout daw, timeout.
Wait lang.
Wala, mamaya na.
No good by Valera.
Pag pumasok yan, Dan.
Valera. Last attempt.
Ganyan sila timeout.
Ito, black. Hindi ako na lang pipindot pag pumasok.
Hindi sila
No good. Iwan by Borja. Pass to Valera. Valera dribbling the ball. Side step. No good. Rebound by
Bora game.
Borja again. Shot. No good. Steal by Salesa. No good. By Salesa. Pass to Reyes. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Borja. Shot. No good. Rebound by Salesa. Oh, dalawa kayo doon. Ayo. Bawi.
Timeout daw, Dadan.
Wala ng team black.
Yan. Oh, goods. Good na, rep. Good.
Yun na, Reyes. Rebound the ball. Pass to Colera. Dribbling the ball. Lagi pa yung Aris. Pass to kanino? Borja. Starting by Salesa. Attack. Shot. Good by Borja.
Parang ako lang gumalaw.
Pass to Agdepa. Dribbling the ball. Atake.
Good.
Shot. Good by Agdepa. Pasensya na naman sa inyo. Lutang eh. Colera. Dribbling the ball. Oh. Pass to steal by Salesa. Atake steal by Borja. No good by Borja. Rebound by Salesa. Pass to Agdepa. Pass to Jumari. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Nilabas ang bola. Pass to Borja. Dinadalawa. Pass to Colera. Last 8 seconds to shoot. Good by Colera. Agdepa inbound the ball. Umaatake, tumira. No, di pala. Pass to Goite. Goite shot. No good. Block by Borja. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Gitang yan.
Tuloy-tuloy yung pag dito.
Tumama sa ring.
Tumama sa ring.
Sorry na akin.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Ano mo lang?
Manera. Delivery the ball. Atake. Shot. No good.
Ano go, good, good.
Ay, good pa lang. Good pa rin. Yan. Kaya na.
Lutang, okay lang yan.
Dumari ang atake. Tumira. Rebound by Goite. Goite, delivery the ball. Power move. Power move. So, grabe. Pass to Dumari. Second. Last 8. 7. 2. 3
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Violation. Turnover. Lumabas mo na again.
Ay, lumabas.
Pass to Calera.
Kasi siya, boy.
Huwag mo sa tawa ng boy.
Delivery the ball. Pass to Reyes.
Ito lang ako.
Creation goal by Reyes. Antay pa. Delivery the ball. Delivery the ball. Kumakalimutan. Tangira. No good. Rebound by. Borja. Pass to Reyes. Shot. No good. Rebound by Calera. Block. Traveling violation. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 46 seconds.
Okay, tapusin mo na yan.
Ang tawag.
Antay pa.
Grabe.
Ligador.
Dan, oras daw.
Last 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Mamaya na, sige na, tapusin mo na yan.
Valera. Pass to Borja. Pass to Kevin Durant. Pass to Cesa. Pass to Jumari. Last 8, 7, 6, 3 seconds. Violation. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 28 seconds. Valera.
Time out committee.
Time out committee. Ano?
Okay, good na.
Huwag mo na kasi ano yung boy.
Hindi kasi, umano si Kakalik eh.
Valera.
Wala naman tayo magkamati.
Valera, dribbling the ball. Watake, tumira. No goal. Rebound by Dumari. Pass to Bisalesa. No. Dumari, dribbling the ball. Pass to Tepalas. 8, 7, 6. Good by Altepa. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Valera. Dribbling the ball. Traveling the ball.
Tuloy mo na, tapusin mo na lang.
Altepa. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Goite. Steal. Diba? Black ball. Reyes. Pass to Calera. Pass to Borja. Attack. No good.
8 seconds. Hindi kasi na.
Traveling. Violation. Turnover.
Bakit ako minura mo?
Dumari. About the ball. Tumira ng 3. Goodbye. Dumari. Last 59 seconds. Valera. Dribbling the ball. No good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Last 52 seconds.
May timeout sila, pre.
Oh, meron. Wait, mamaya gago. White ball.
White ball yan. Bawal mo ng timeout. Dumari. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Estepa. Reyes. Steal by Dumari. Dahil napapasaan. Pass to the center. Kaya sila sa attack. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Time out.
Wala daw.
Borja. Play. Attack. Steal by Dumari. Dribbling the ball. Dumari. Attack. No good. Rebound by Borja.
Last.
Last 12 seconds.
9, 8, 7,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good na, Robert. No, rebound by Marquez, but there's a broad problem violation. To produce to number 9, Tisha Chu, sino hindi ko wala yun. To advance, penalty.
Sino lang? Ito sila ang pati. Ito. Borja. Ah, Borja.
To number 9, ayan, sino yun? To Rotaria, prize, and still by Manoko. Rana ko, still by Lapa. Kaya sa smooth. 11 seconds, Rana ko, still bago sa gabar, check for down pounds. Still para tayo ng aming referee. Once the solution, I speak to the player, another to the ball, to the Parapol, another to the ball, to the Paquin, goodbye, to Rana, galing ay Rutara, Rana gusto the boot, Rana is the ball, kanya gusto the ball, takes a kill, the ball, Rana goes, goodbye, Rana, 7 shots, 20 seconds, remaining time, to Protestante, on the field to Rana, and out of bounds, white ball. To Rana was the move. He's the ball. He's by Lapa. Lapa points for her. Back to Lapa in our bounds. Substitution tayo. Pasok in. Labas out.
Ba't nandiyan ka? Doon ka sa bench mo.
Ang magalitan. Rana ko galing pa Rana. Rana ko points. Sino yun? And no good to the ball. Rana ko second chance. And no good to Rana ko rin the ball. Rana ko galing pa pasok play. Dahil ko sa ball.
Hindi ba sondo?
Turnover for Team Black.
Wala makagawa, Coach eh.
49 seconds. Remaining time. To number 9, Coach. Number 20, the try Marco. Marco clear the ball. Kicks out to Goite. Goite, shoot by Goite. Goite knocks down a three. To Rotara. With the spin. And shoot by Rotara. Time at Gravity.
Ligo pagtapos. Init.
Will never net. Rana to the ball. Rana kicks out to Marco. Marco nice big. Marco and it's cleared by Rotara. Rotara takes a kill. Now the by Marco points. Rana and it's cleared by the starter to Lapa. Lapa to the champion. No one by Lapa. Kicks out to Rotara. Five. It's cleared by Marco. To the but there's a call. Grabbing violation. Turnover. Rana pass rejected by Lapa. Rotara finds Williams, but there's a ball. Black ball. Kasama sa basketball yan ng physical game to Rotara, nice sorry, number number to Borra, ininaw din ang ball, Lapa to the champion, number the ball, Marco almost left, Marco kicks out to Zote, points, Rana, grabs, number na ball, the ball, Lapa to Rotara. Protestante na special Protestante di Rana fans ganarin to Goite tackling but Protestante Real Secretary foul first team foul for The second half, go to the line, shooting two. Pusaran, no good. Kaya padaan ninyo naghahanap buhay. Pagkat nagkabisa yan, wala. Yun na. Last try go to ready jump. And no good, but there's a foul, Marco second foul, second team foul. I put the ball, sorry. Pero tama dahil medyo maaaring rutang lapon. Second team, and a slow by Marco Pisato. Ranago by State, Ranago was up to this. Last 8 says to shoot. And still by Rotara, and still by Rotara. Pero kita gelar tiga referee. Ranago bermudahkan Lampa personal foul, second team foul for the second half. Prince Ranago Brian shooting position, no good. Last by Prince, right to the jump.
Uy, tangina mo.
And no good again, rebound by Jamal said the ball back out of bounds. Sayang natin ni Jamal. Rotara galing by Omasay. White ball, turnover for the defense by Jamal. Papakita niya sa yung bata na. Ranago. Galing by Lampa. Kicks out the ball. Back to Ranago. The floater by Protestante to the ball. Protestante was able to move. Takes a game. Goodbye, Protestante.
Muy turo. Ina mo.
Marco step back, don't get deep in the guy, Rotara clear the ball, finds Rapa, Berha, last, that was a crowd, Saturation iron basket in, but out. Last 6 minutes, 41 seconds remaining time. To Marco, back to the side, taken by Rapa, goodbye, Rapa. So Jay lose the ball to Ranago finds Marco last 8 minutes to shoot, and Ranago is good by Rotara, another to drive Marco. Out of bounds, simple time out of the last 6 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time. So this is a game. Now to the result of Marco, and then we're not going to try Borna, double play. Ranago takes the ball and out of bounds, Stand up by the Dia pasal balikan. Napinggir. Pagpap napinggir. Bala dyan. Maraming balikan sa palinggo. Pero start of presentation. And out of bounds. White ball. Terus saya satu Protestante battere dalla porta, non guardare the ball, Lampa, kicks out the Protestante, nice play, Protestante, rejected, and out of bounds. Saya pun berjalan dalam upaya
Uranovo attacks a little bit of goal, but goes out number 9. Senior, Cristante, professional foul, team foul, Troy, that's enough. Brings Uranovo line, shooting for first again, no good. Last of right, please. And moving on number 25, baby boy, that Prince. Protestante, Rotana, points, Lampa is good. Lampa, ang haba ng mga akala mo. Matagal siguro ko sa siya palagi. Turano ako dahil na Protestante. Almost clear, and outbound, siyempre tayo mga referee. Kailangan pa rin ito siya. 29 seconds, Marco Garminamba, Turanovo, nice play, is goodbye. Ranovo, last 4 minutes in 25 seconds. Dahil Jamal, wala kong date ko. Tulampa, kicks out of Protestante, no Protestante number 5. Back row sa ball, marami na. Sa Kibushilare.
Sander na naman. Marco. Alas, Sander na naman.
Tulampa, begin the ball. Tulampa, pass up. Over the Lampa, Arvan's black ball. Protestante, almost good, Protestante, points, Lampa, begin the ball. Bailano, last 8 seconds to shoot. Protestante, no good, but the prize. Protestante, points, Lampa, back goes a foul. Ranovo. 7 personal foul, 17 foul, 4, just saying up, Lampa, shooting 2. President, no good. Even time. Jump ball, going to play wide. Can it go over the defense? Nicola Prince. Oh, uulan. Turanovo, Philippines, number 5, Lampa, tackling, Lampa, another points, another good. Bola bertembus pasal sebenarnya Melon dari kawasan bola dan kuat last 3 minutes and 40 seconds and 3 points. Ranovo still by Bapak Jagal Arpas Denaber. Mana sudah jalan Ranovo almost still in Arpas. Same penalty to referee. Desa dari Arpas 5 last minute and 24 seconds remaining time.
One stop. Sa Rimbaco. Atake der! Atake der! Ang biwan der! Di mo nang tinanong.
Last minute to play. Still by Gerard. Points around the corner. Shoot by isa na lang ang kalabangan ng team back ball. That's set up.
na.
Wait lang, nabigay ng bola, tuwa na. Ito protestante, Rano, kicks out to goal, it takes a Jane, how to go this? Saya sering time.
Mahaba pa yun dyan.
Bago sa mga
Wala sa camera ko dyan.
Kusalisa, bye-bye, protestante. Kusalisa, kicks out to goal, use the ball and advance, turn over. Rotara, bye-bye Jamaarin, Rotara on the field and save the ball on the referee. Kujana yang kicks out to Rotara, punch, Rotara, the player, Bola dele points, protestante, Pakula, and please, violation. Kusalisa, bring the ball. Kusalisa, punch, Rano, points, goodbye, Rano. Last minute and one to abandon sa isa, divide, play the setup. Lapa, lose the ball. Simple tayo na ano referee. Ikan. Rotara, bye-bye. Jamal, Rotara, the player, goodbye, Rotara. Pushing back and point. Kusalisa, pass away. Now the Kusalisa will drive. Go there. Now they go there with the drive. But there's a foul. Protestante. Yang bersatu bola protestante. Rano Gabriel, shoot it too. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. 1 minute and 33 seconds. 1 minute and 33 seconds now. It's time for another goodbye. Lepas ini bola Arnal. Rotara, protestante, the player, short to the ball. Kusalisa, to Jamari, Kusalisa, fight for Rano, apa tu mai saule lagi. Ayo, kalau mana sorry. Magandang tapatan po. Tumarin sa personal foul, 15-4, just saying that last 1 minute. Second finale, last 1 minute and 8 seconds, remain time. Rotara, Lapa, attack the road, right shot, no finish with the play. Good job, protestante, Rotara, pulsa, number 2, protestante, number 5, Jamari, last 30 seconds. There's a line ball, turn up play, last 38 seconds. Rotara, ganda Jamari, para ang terus last 8 to shoot and still Last 15 seconds round. Take us a round. One important material material. Lapat round. Shuriman. Kula Boykan. Lapat round. Shuriman. Just 4
Uy! RJM.
Teresa. Teresa Paul, tinadjust. Correra, professional round penalty. Clemente.
Gago.
Teresa Guerra, shoot to goal. Last minute, 87, Rumanda. And small boy number 25, Teresa, one open the line. Go Protestante, from the point, Rampa, go Protestante. On the play, still, Teresa, Protestante. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds na lang. Rotabla, tayo tayo dumaharin. Rotabla, just the ball. Pound sila na
Okay.
sa Paul. Sa Paul. Ano masabi mo sa kapagano?
Paano hindi nila ginamit yung isang time mo talaga? Wala.
Isa lang, about yung isang tawad niya, yung tawad niya yung may karera. Sila sila yung controversial na lang. And we're going on the Dubai. Take it out of the last minute and 12 turun tangga. Rotai lawan by Jemarin. Pound Sora. Lalu Dubai Besaresa. Bisa Jemarin. Besaresa last play. Tak boleh Besaresa. Dengan bagi Rekun. Bapoy. Overtime. Turun tangga. Tungkura. Tulangka. Turutang na last 8 minutes to shoot. Turutang na last 5, 4, 3, 2. Last 2 seconds. Center the last 2 seconds. Last one. Turn over. Last 1 minute. Desarrolla, Kisha Torrenovo. Almost sempre vai para o referee. Last 55 seconds. Desarrolla, press the ball, Last 5, 4, 3, 7, 2, 5, 4,